Welcome back to another one. So in this one, let's go over Canva. Canva is definitely a website I use on a daily basis and it's free. One of my favorite tools. So let's jump into it. So what you can see in my account here is all of my recent designs. So this is to give you an idea of different ways we use Canva to help us make images and videos for our websites, for our products. Okay, so this is very powerful. Canva, you can see we just made a logo right here. Here's this another one. Here's a logo here. This one's a video here. Videos. Here's some images we're using. Actually, you can see that I used Canva to make the content inside of this course. So you're going to see these things inside of the course, and this is how I made it. It's with Canva. So the logo for the business made all in Canva. You see, we make images for ads. So it's very simple to use. Just click on Create a Design and choose, so be specific. What is it that you're looking to design for this project? So for your example, you could be doing a video, or a logo. I mean, you see, it depends on what you're trying to do to start your business. So if you want to do a logo, let's start with a logo very quickly, just to show you how easy it really is. You could do this right now for yourself. You can even take what I'm showing you right now and start to offer it to other businesses as a service. So what am I talking about? It's called logo creation. You can become a logo designer. How? Well, look at right here in Canva. You click the button and you have a logo. That's literally how AI is making this as easy as possible for you now. You can just come in here, change the name, make your edits, whatever you want to edit, change the colors, and you have a logo. You can turn this into money, literally. You can now sell this to a business if you wanted. You could use this for your own business also. So that's what we do, right? So I'm showing you that that's how I made the logo for this course here, all of it, right? So again, the point I'm showing you this because I want you to understand how to apply this into your life in a real world way, right? I don't want to just teach you some fluff information that's no use to you. What I'm showing you is worth millions of dollars. Okay. So now your part here is to take what I'm showing you and start to practice with it, start to apply it, start to utilize it. And that's how you're going to start to get to money. All right. See you in the next one.